With the function animation, you can automatically fade several scenes into each other. This way, you do not switch between scenes abruptly, but let them fade in gently. This is suitable, for example, for dynamic shop lighting. In the tab Scenes, choose Edit, then tap left on the plus. Name the animation, and tap Add an animation. Now select the scenes that you want to fade into each other. I choose Work as the first scene and then add the scene Relax. To do this, tap Add a scene, select your scene and confirm with Done. Then repeat this for your second scene. The fade-in time is automatically set to 1 minute, but can be extended as desired. You can see it here. In addition, you can add a wait, a time in which a scene stays switched on. Tap Add a wait and choose the desired time. Confirm with Done. Then drag it between your scenes. Moreover, you can run the animation in an endless loop. Just choose Repeats here. For example, for a light show in a lighting store. Then, like for a scene, assign a color and a symbol. Confirm with Done, and Done again.